Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solanex token. Ticker symbol is Soldex. Now this token is live for pre-sale. They have a full audit. This is, looks like an initial coin offering. This token is listed on coinsniper.net in the pre-sale section. We're going to go over the information on the Solanex token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is Solanex.ai. Right at the top of the page, they do have an audit, and it is by OX Guard. So they have an OX Guard PDF, and they go over all the high, medium, low issues. And it says no issues found. So, I mean, this is just one audit, though. It probably doesn't go over everything. That's why people get multiple audits. But it doesn't look like there's any big issues on this audit, first of all. So that's good to see. I mean, that again, that doesn't mean that the token is fully secure, and you should always thoroughly do your own research. I do not see a KYC, so just be aware of that. But if you go to the webpage Solanex.ai, there's a Buy Soldex button. There's a Buy Now button that has the countdown right beside it too. It says 2 days, 20 hours, 22 minutes, 38 seconds, and is counting down before the next price increases. So generally how these pre-sales work is they start out at a big discount, and then they go through different stages, increasing in price until the listing price. So the earlier you get in, the bigger the discount you get generally. And so yeah, if you click Buy Now on their webpage, takes you just to a different page where they do have a how to buy. Once you click on Buy Now, it'll tell you how to buy too as well. But basically, you connect your wallet. You could use a MetaMask or Trust wallet. And there's all different currencies that you can buy the token with. Ethereum, BNB, USDT, Sol, USDC, etc. So you'd fund your wallet with any one of those. Punch in, like, say, how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Soldex tokens you get for that amount. And then you click purchase, and then when the pre-sale is over, you claim your token. So generally, I mean, that's how it works, but you just follow the step-by-step how to buy in case you get stuck. Now, this token is on, even though the name is Solanex, and then the first currency that pops up to buy the token on the pre-sale is ETH, this token is actually on the Binance Smart Chain. So it says Solanex AI represents a groundbreaking evolution in the landscape of decentralized exchanges. As blockchain technology continues to redefine global finance, Solanex AI is positioned at the forefront, offering a next-generation trading platform that integrates advanced artificial intelligence to enhance the efficiency, security, and profitability of decentralized trading. Solanex AI is a cutting-edge decentralized exchange that leverages AI-driven technologies to optimize trade execution and liquidity management. Solanex AI addresses the inherent inefficiencies found in traditional DEXs, particularly those related to liquidity fragmentation and high-cost transactions. By introducing AI-powered liquidity pools and smart trade optimization, Solanex AI not only lowers trading costs, but also maximizes returns for liquidity providers. At the heart of the Solanex AI is an innovative AI governance system which continuously analyzes market conditions to optimize liquidity distribution and trading strategies. Now, this ensures that the platform adapts in real time to market dynamics, providing users with the best possible trading experience. Additionally, the platform's reserve-based virtual pools eliminate the need for indirect trades, reducing slippage and enhancing overall trading efficiency. Solanex AI aims to become the leading decentralized exchange by providing unparalleled trading efficiency and liquidity management driven by AI. Our mission is to empower users with a platform that not only meets the demands of today's crypto market, but also sets a new standard for the future of decentralized finance. Now, they have a whole, if you go to their document section, which is at docs.solanex.ai, they go over the current state of decentralized exchanges with liquidity fragmentation, high transaction costs, inefficient trading mechanisms. They talk about price slippage, indirect trades, complex user experience. And so you can go through all that if you like, but it says Solanex AI directly addresses these challenges by integrating advanced AI algorithms with the foundational principles of decentralized trading. Now, this approach introduces a new paradigm in the DEX ecosystem, where every aspect of the trading experience, from liquidity management to transaction execution, is optimized for efficiency and ease of use. As we move forward, Solanex AI is committed to driving the evolution of DeFi, pushing the boundaries of what decentralized exchanges can achieve by addressing these fundamental challenges that have long plagued the DEX ecosystem. We aim to deliver a platform that not only meets the needs of today's traders, but also anticipates the demands of tomorrow's decentralized economy. Now, they have AI powered governance, they have reserved-based virtual pools, smart liquidity allocation, and a user-centric design. So they talk about providing liquidity, executing trades, earning rewards, enhanced liquidity value proposition, lower costs, and better trading experience if you want to read about all that. Tokenomics here. Soldex is the native token and the foundation of the Solanex AI platform. The tokenomics are as follows. Now, 12% of the tokens are allocated to central exchange and decentralized exchange liquidity. 7% is distributed to team and advisors. 35% of the tokens go to the presale investors. 12% marketing and community incentives. 16% treasury. 18% ecosystem growth. Now, they do have a roadmap as well. It goes all the way till like the end of 2025 and beyond, and you can read all about that on their document section as well. And like I said, you can find this token on CoinSniper in the pre-sale section, and you can find their Twitter. It looks like at Solanex_AI. I'm going to put that right up here. That's going to have some links on it as well to go find the pre-sale. Real easy to find. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.